Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I make my Popeye's chicken. Now Popeye's came out with this new spicy chicken sandwich that everyone was raving about, and it ended up being sold out. So I did not end up getting to try it myself. So I'm actually going to be making my own variation, and let's get into the ingredients. So I'm going to start with a tablespoon of salt. I'm going to be using some paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. I have some Creole seasoning, cornstarch, and I have buttermilk. Here I have 2 pieces of chicken thigh. Now I cut the bone out of the chicken thigh. Let's get to it. So my chicken has already been washed with some vinegar and lemon. So I'm gonna start seasoning. I'm gonna start with paprika. So it's all gonna be about a tablespoon. Onion powder. Garlic powder, black pepper, and some cayenne pepper. My Creole seasoning. And massage it in. And I'm going to season the other side. And now I'm going to add my buttermilk. I'm going to cover it up and place it in the fridge to marinate for a few hours. So here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to start to season this flour up. So it's pretty much the same way that I season the chicken. This is the onion powder. So it's 1 teaspoon each. Garlic powder, chicken seasoning. And Creole seasoning again. Paprika. And salt to taste. Also, I'm going to go in with my cornstarch. It's 1 tablespoon. About 3 heaping tablespoons. And this is what causes it to have those flakes. Okay, so I have to dip the chicken in the buttermilk mixture as well. So I'm just making that mixture now. And it's gonna be pretty much the same ingredients as you put in to season the chicken. So I'm going in with my onion powder, followed by my garlic powder, my cayenne pepper, my paprika, my Creole seasoning. Now you can use Cajun seasoning as well. Black pepper. And my chicken seasoning. And give it a good whisk. Okay, so my chicken was marinating for about 3 hours, and I'm going to start the process. Now, clean hands, I'm going to press down. And I'm going to squeeze it so I can get all those flakes. You see? You can see all those ridges. Yeah. And be sure not to move it for at least the first 2 minutes, because you don't want to get those flakes, or you don't want to mess with the flakes. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this crispy, crunchy chicken. So the chicken is done. It's just the way that I want it, with not too much crunch in there. I'm just gonna lightly toast the buns. So for the sauce, the spread, I'm going to be using some mayo, some complete seasoning, a little onion powder, just a touch of garlic salt, and this is my husband's homemade hot sauce. Just gonna put some of that in there.